Hello, brother. This machine was ready. I'm going to test it. First of all, I will show you some detail of it. This is a controller of the machine, and you see this button, you up and down. It's easy. So when you connect, you can open the power and the emergency stop. And I will show you how to adjust the height, working height. This table can go up or go down, and also you can input the thickness, working thickness from this panel directly. For example, I'm going to input 20 millimeter, okay, millimeter. You just need input 20, okay. Now 20 and press this one, start. You see? The working table will go up, so the working thickness will go to 20 millimeter. Easy, right? Do not press the other button, okay? Do not press the other button. We set the parameter, factory set parameters at first, so you just need input the numbers directly. Okay, 400. Okay, stop. 40. Okay, 40, and start. Very easy. And we use all Schneider breaker, Schneider contactor, time relay, and all ITAC. Okay, ITAC. The main power you need wire, three wires, 1, 2, 3, L1, L2, L3. Okay, you need 16 millimeter wire, 16 millimeter, like this one, 16, very thick. These travel switch are for the position. Travel switch for the power position. When the sanding paper go out of the range, the travel switch will stop machine immediately. Okay, it's just for the position. When you install the sanding paper, you just press. You see, it will go down, and you can take the sanding paper out. Press, you will fasten. This sanding paper will be fastened. This one simple. Do not adjust this handle. Do not adjust this handle. Okay. This is the air pressure. You need to connect the air. When delivery, you need to protect this belt good. This metal plate. Okay, metal plate. I guess you will like these two big motor. Very good, very big. This metal plate, very good. There are also two. This travel switch. Can make sure the sanding paper working in correct position. Hello, brother. In this video, I will show you a testing video of this machine. Okay, I prepared 2 log, solid wood log. I already measure. I will adjust the thickness 32.2. Okay, and start now. Okay, then I will open this roller, press on, and this roller on, and working.再来一个。 I will do it again，再来一遍。